Experiencing SOS only mode on your Visible phone, meaning no calls, data, or texts, can be frustrating. This often indicates your phone can only connect to emergency services. For Visible users, this issue frequently arises due to Visible's prepaid model, which operates on Verizon's network but can deprioritize data during peak usage or if your account has payment issues. Start by checking your account status for any billing problems. Then, try the basic troubleshooting steps. First, power cycle your phone completely. Next, verify your SIM card status in your phone's settings. Ensure your SIM is properly activated, as activation can sometimes take up to 48 hours after purchase. Finally, check Visible's coverage map via their app to confirm you're in an area with adequate coverage. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the SOS-only problem, consider these advanced steps. First, manually check your APN settings. For Visible, it should be VZ Winternet. Incorrect APN settings can prevent data access. Next, temporarily switch to a different network mode, such as toggling between LTE and 5G, to see if that forces a connection. If problems persist, contact Visible support directly via their app or call 1-888-687-4252. Looking ahead, Visible is investing in network upgrades, including satellite integration to improve reliability and reduce deprioritization issues. Community forums like Reddit's r/Visible often offer user-generated fixes and insights. Keep your Visible app updated, as updates often include automated diagnostics to resolve connectivity problems. Future advancements may include AI-driven solutions and expanded 5G coverage, aiming for 99.9% uptime by 2027.